your hair looks real nice. Thanks, I guess. Oh, sorry, Curly's a bit behind. Let me get him up there. Ah, Curly, come on. Good boy.
Dad, yeah? You know, your hair looks real nice. You already told me that. I did? Well, it really looks nice. Brooke, get to the point. Sorry, Dad. Can we get home and then I'll tell you? Fine. Yes! Come on, Curly.
Yep, so, Dad. Yes. I was thinking me and Hannah, we could, start a boarding place. Maybe. I'm not so sure about that idea. Dad, it's not an easy question, just opening up a boarding place. Ugh. These saddles are big. It's a Western saddle, honey. You've been riding for how many years? 18? Then you should know that by now. Come on.